Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning in my creative journal, which is the Sophisticated Florals, and it is a classic size, a vertical classic happy planner. It is for the week of October 11th through the 17th, and I am going to be using stickers from Live Love Posh because I am obsessed with her and her stickers, and we are going to be doing a fallish spread. I hope you guys like it, and I wanted to say thank you if you already are subscribed to my channel or you're returning, and if you are brand new, welcome. I really hope you like it here. For those of you who know me a little bit more than just on this channel, you guys probably know that I am very much into fashion and dresses and heels and purses, and of course planners and stickers. So when I saw these stickers at Live Love Posh, there's no surprise there that I was immediately taken and pretty obsessed. So because it is my journal and it's a little bit more of a free fall and there's no true format to it, I just do what I like and I kind of go with it. I can just place stickers and write around it. It's pretty great. Okay, let's add a humongous sticker because I like those a lot. They draw your eye. And I love these nude colors, you guys. She did such a good job on this one. The sweater, the hat, like all of it is just gorgeous and beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna cut some flowers as well, and I'm gonna add a few things so I can write around them just like I like it. Yeah, there we go. Okay, I'm really starting to like this spread already, and it doesn't take very much, does it? I was thinking of adding some leopard, but I don't think that's going to work, so I'll put it back. I'm just gonna peel the extra sticky off of the sheets so I have a full range of placing the stickers where it needs to go without getting attached to that sticker paper and ripping it next time I need to use it. I hope everybody's week is going okay. Have you started planning for fall already, or what is your planning style like? Do you do seasonals? Do you enjoy doing seasonals? Are you minimalist? Just really quickly, these gray boxes are from Mojo Neutrals. I, of course, love that sticker book. Functionality to a core, and it allows me to have big spaces like this to write in, and that's fantastic. And it matches that gray perfectly. So I will keep adding boxes, but I'm kind of curious to see if you guys have a brand new book that you guys like using. As you can see, I am obsessed with Live Love Posh. That's not a new thing for me, but I love her stickers. Okay, and I am done with this spread. It was super quick. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you so much for coming and watching. Have a great week. Bye!